Hello everyone, I'm from Melbourne, Australia. My journey started in 2015 and it was the worst day of my life. On the 11th of October 2015, I got redundant from my work. Okay, and I realize that the job security is an illusion. Okay, we always live in illusion that the job will secure our future, but it never did. Now, on the 12th of October 2015, I made into an accident, okay, where I paralyzed my legs. I was not able to feel them. I was not able to, there was no sensations below my tummy. So I was on wheelchair for almost 3 years. Now, in 2019, my wife came across this opportunity on Facebook, and she was like, why don't you look into that, as you are home. And she was also out of the work because she was taking care of me and my 2-year-old daughter at that time. So she told me, why don't you look into this? And I went into the webinar just like you guys are here right now. And I was like, straight away, I jumped on. And since then, the life has changed. The reason I joined is because I wanted to take off the burden from my mom, because we both were out of the work and my mom was paying for my mortgage. Because same time, just before the accident and just before losing my job, we bought a new home and I had a mortgage responsibility on my shoulder. So when we both got out of the work, my mom started paying for the mortgage, and I was just only looking for 2,200 Australian dollars a month. That's it. I was like, if I can get that every month, at least I can ask my mom that please stop paying. And I was not happy that she was supporting me financially, because she always did since childhood, But then finally the day came when I made 2,200 and I'm making way more than that. And right now, and I'm so glad that I took that decision, because the one thing I have also realized that nothing changes if nothing changes, So I always advise everybody that change is necessary, and this is real. I am real. People, everyone here talking about themselves, it's real. And once you pay that 149 and open the next door, you will not going to look back ever in your life. I can assure you that, and I can promise you that, because now I have extended my family globally, and I'm talking to people day in, day night online, and each and every moment. And I'm so excited because now my wife has also started working from home. She loves to do dressmaking. She's a fashion designer. So now I am getting plenty of time, and I'm helping her to set up her home-based dressmaking business where she runs from the garage. So that's my story, and I'll hope to see you on the other side of the fence. Take care, enjoy.